I've got the latest version of the folding Firebox stove here. We worked really hard, stayed up late, trying to get this production prototype finished. So as always, the Firebox just opens up into position. You don't have to do any assembly at all. We've added this expansion chamber that absorbs the expansion of this centerpiece and it reduces warpage. We've changed to larger holes, and we've made sure to have a center hole to feed the center of that Swedish fire torch. So you can open it all the way up for free, full flow of air, or you can close it down to slow down the speed of your fire or the temperature of your fire. Your Trangia alcohol burner in this highest position. This creates that 1-inch headspace between the jets and the bottom of your pot. So now you can cook with gas with the folding Firebox stove. So you run your gas line down in, and then this just snaps into position. We've also added the cross-feed fuel delivery system. This creates a very efficient fire and makes it very easy to control cooking temperatures. Now I've also increased the depth of these notches to improve our horizontal baking position. So here I have the Zebra loop-handled pot. Now this one is equipped with our stainless steel spring wire clips that allow the use of the handle as an oven door latch. Fueling the stove with this Swedish fire torch setup is really great for big jobs. I have almost 3 quarts of water here. Now look at that flame. Isn't that a thing of beauty? Okay, I think we have a boil here. I'm going to go ahead and check it. And yes, we're starting to boil, so I'm going to go ahead and drop in my corn. And then once this corn is cooked, I'm just going to go ahead and keep boiling water just to see how many pots of water I can boil with this single load of fuel. Okay, there's our second pot of water boiling. Okay, I wasn't quite able to bring that third pot of water to a boil, but it is fairly hot. But now I want to go ahead and use these hot coals. Now that the flame is gone, I want to use these hot coals to grill a steak. So I'm going to go ahead and use this optional set of fire sticks, this optional second set of fire sticks, to put my grill plate on. There we go. Wow, that's looking beautiful. Okay, now I want to go ahead and transition into my baking project, but I'm going to steal some of these hot coals out of here, and I'll show you why here in just a second. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my pot in its horizontal baking position. This will give us a little bit of heat on the top side of our oven. This will give us just a little bit of flame and help us get this oven preheated a little bit faster. Okay, you can see that that certainly turned up the heat. I'm going to go ahead and put my rolls in. Take off my oven door, put my oven door back on, and we're baking. Let's check our rolls. Oh wow, they look great. Let me see if I can get them out of here. Oh yeah, those turned out really nice. I've been able to keep it nice and warm here with this radiant heat of the Firebox. And I'm also going to put some butter on the tops of these rolls. And get it in one piece. Oh wow, woo, they're hot. Wow, look at those rolls. That really turned out nice. Look at that meal. Wow, that's going to be delicious. Wow. Delicious. Look at that beautiful steak. Hey, Kickstarter. You could probably tell I had a really great time up there testing out the new Firebox stove. I'm really impressed with its performance. I need to give credit to the Firebox community. Many of those new features were born from user feedback. They've been a really big support to me and my family over the last few years, and I'd really like to give them their new perfected Firebox. But I need your help. I've got some tooling and some programming to pay for, and I'm hoping that you'll take the time now and go down into the rewards section and find something that you really like. And make a pledge today. I really appreciate it. You'll have a really great time with your new Firebox stove. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.